everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you sun-dried mushrooms and potato curry, and let's start the recipe. Ingredients for mushroom potato curry. This is a fried curry. So I've taken dried mushrooms. These are 8 mushrooms. Then I've soaked into hot water or warm water for 10 minutes. Then we can cut down into pieces like this. So at this situation where we need to increase our immunity, this is one of the best one. So we can eat a lot of mushrooms. Mushrooms are too good. So my mushrooms are ready, and I've taken 3 potatoes. These are medium sized potatoes, and if it is large potatoes, even 2 potatoes looks good. So I've just chopped it and I've put it into the salt water so that it doesn't change its color. Other than this, we just need red chili flakes or red chili powder, 1 spoon, and 3/4 spoon salt. Here key ingredients is the dhania, coriander, roasted coriander powder. There is lot of coriander powder bottom. There are 2 spoons coriander powder or dhania powder, just roasted and just a powder. This is homemade. And other than this, we need oil. So I'm going to take 3 spoons oil, not more than that. That's it. I'm going to add oil, just 3 spoons. That's it. First thing I'm going to add is potatoes. Potatoes will absorb the water, salty water, so it has some salt content in it. I didn't mix it up because I don't want to disturb that burning or the crispy thing which happens at the bottom. So just after 3 or 4 minutes, then better to mix it. Then you can see that crust forming. We need to start this on high heat so that the potato crust or the browning of potato forms. Then after 2-3 minutes, then we can change it. So here the browning is formed. So I didn't mix it at all in beginning. So now I'm going to mix this. We need to wait few more minutes. Half cooked. Then I'm going to add mushroom. Then I'm going to fry this. Just mix it up and fry for some time. See, I didn't add more oil, just 3 to 4 spoons, that's it, as regular cooking only. But thing is, trick here is we should not mix initially. So after high heat, once these potatoes get heated, then I'll slow down the flame. So just few of them will have browning like this. See, they are browning, the crust is formed. That is good enough. We don't have to fry it a lot. This much is enough, and everything looks cooked. So because they are translucent, so this looks cooked. So now it is time to add spices. So there is a lot of salt in this. I realized I just tasted one, then I felt there is a lot of salt. So I'm going to reduce my salt content in this because the bottom there is a lot of salt. Just I'm going to add 1/4 spoon because already 1 spoon salt I added for the potatoes. It looks done. Time for taste test. It looks yummy. So I'm going to taste this. It's very tasty. And you should try this. It's a very simple curry and it doesn't take even much time. You should try this. It's very healthy stuff for this condition. For full recipe, look into the description box below, and if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with next recipe. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching.